famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and eat good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. To every new subscriber, boo 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 boo, sangena, hey, sangena. Hey, Sangena, welcome to the crazy house, whereby you cook anything you have. My sister, my brother, ask them. They will tell you, in this house we cook, where we mix and mix. Anyway, let's cook mashed potato. No story time today. Mashed potato and ram steak, okay? Disclaimer, we are cooking ram steak for the very first time, okay? Thou shalt not judge. I made several mistakes that I'm here to tell you not to do, okay? So, do not do the same mistake. First of all, don't use a lot of spice, okay? Girl did the bad side. Okay, that is the steak. I'm not gonna show off the price because you will think I'm rich. Meanwhile, I'm making the ends meet, okay? This is the economy we signed up for. So, I'm not rich. So, I'm cooking this ram steak for the very first time. And please, like I said, don't use too much spice, okay? Don't use too much spice like myself. So another thing, I asked the type of, okay, I asked my uncle the manner in which he wants the steak to be cooked. He said, well done. But every time when we are out, he always eat rare or medium done. So I think because it was for the first time he was like, hey, this child, this child gonna cook rubbish, yeah? You're gonna cook rubbish in the house. So check the steak. It's very nice, tender, beautiful. Listen, tender, soft. New relationship. You are the only girl in the world. Anyway, let's get straight to it. We had a pan of cooking oil. Here we are just peeling off our potato for mash. And again, we are going to cook mash in a different way. We are not going to do the salt and vinegar type of mash. We're going to put everything that we have or anything that we have in our house, okay? And one thing about cooking, I said, don't be scared. My sister, my brother, don't be scared to mix everything, eh? The same way that you are mixing this, your boyfriend, you are putting them under the same basket, knowing exactly that John doesn't have the same money as Peter. They are not the same. So, we are going to mix everything. Put your potato, warm water, salt, wash your potato, put your potato, let it boil, okay? Let it boil. So thou shall mix everything you shall see when you get there. Don't be scared. Cooking is creativity, and even if you mix and they don't come out the same, you will try again. A little bit of cooking oil so that it doesn't boil out of the pan. Now, previously we soaked our spices for about, not soaked, we marinated and let it, for 50 minutes to 30. You see, for the salt to enter. I mean, you can, come on, this guy must give you a chance. The same way in a relationship, you can't meet him today, take him to your place and, I beg. You must make him wait a little bit, the same way that we let our steak to wait. Anyway, with a low heat, with a low heat, make sure that you put your steak in your pan with small amount of cooking oil, okay? Small amount of cooking oil. Fear cholesterol. Thou shalt die, young child. You shall be buried because of cholesterol. Anyway, how's the petal? You see, it's already getting there. They just proposed you today. Already you're saying, yo, Chobi, I think I get Morat. Oh! Yo, Morata, the same way as this steak. Just one touch, it is already done. The same way. They say, hey, my sister, you are inside. Already, you are loving him. You show some desperate character. Anyway, back to potato. Put your different types of spices. Mostly I like to put remember, we don't showcase spices because we ain't getting paid yet by this brands, okay? So spice, I usually use pasta spice because it's a mash and it's starch, so I use different types of spices. I put a lemon and herb, and also your powder, your mash powder. This is mash powder. Be careful, oh. Be careful, oh, because this wanted to boil out of the pan. You know that, girlfriend? They told you nicely, baby girl, you are just a roll on. You are a side chick. Remain. Where you supposed to remain, you want to come out. You want the wife to see you. I'm just saying. Mash your potato. Mash. Remember, lemon and herb, mashed potato powder, and any spice. But don't put a spice that's gonna change the color, unless maybe it's yellowish spice, or probably don't just put anything beef, I beg. Your food is going to look like poison, and you know in this house we don't like food that looks like poison, okay? That look like poison. Please, I beg. I do not want, hey, cook, I dare find you with food that looks like a poison, my sister. Subscribe from this. Unsubscribe, because we cannot preach the entire year. Yet it is September, you still can't cook. No food content. Poison we don't want to do. We want to indulge. Okay? We want to enjoy your food. Come on, serve yourself. So yes, mix everything together. It is coming out. One thing about mash, it will never go wrong. A little bit of milk. I mean, we are spicing up the relationship. Isn't it that when you approach your anniversary, even the inside garment changes, the same way that you put this milk, you must spice up things. Don't just be like that, okay? Anyway, we are done now. Let me take you through the dishing up process, okay? Here's our well done ram steak, okay? Well done ram steak. Okay, disclaimer. I think if you have a air fryer, if you afford an air fryer or you have it, I think it was gonna come out very nice with that particular thing. Unfortunately, I'm not working. I can't afford it though. If you have it or you want to bless me, please come to my DMs. I will definitely appreciate it. So I used a pan, but in future, I think we're gonna try it again with a foil in the oven, because we don't have air fryer. And if you know you want to bless me, my sister, I'm here. Aside, I boiled broccoli. For about 5 minutes. And a little bit of, white sauce. I'm going to make a video on how we make homemade, nice, creamy, sweet chili white sauce. So, famies, thank you for watching. This is our meal mash with Rump steak and broccoli. It was very nice. It was very nice. Anyway, thank you, famies, for watching. May God bless you, bless everything that you possess. Until we meet again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. Until we meet again, famies, bye.